Hi everyone, how are you? Today, I am going to share a simple and delicious onion rings recipe. Crispy outside, soft inside. Anyone can make it. Onion 3 medium. Peel and wash. Slice it 1/4 inches. Done. Batter preparation. All-purpose flour 1/2 cup. Corn flour 1/3 cup. Cashmere chili powder 1 teaspoon. Black pepper 1/2 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Testing salt 1/2 teaspoon. Mix well. Sprite 100 milliliters. Mix. Not too thick or not too thin. Rest for 10 minutes. Breadcrumbs. Sliced onion deep with batter. Shake excess. Coating with breadcrumbs. Done. Place the onion rings in the preheated oil. Fry golden brown and crispy. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.